this video. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you my robot real 4 live accounts performance up to 240% plus profit in each account. This is first account. Start with 1500 deposit. This is the performance. You can see 1500 deposit, 3420 is total profit. So it's 240 plus percent profit. Let's see another account. 90,000 deposit, 48,404 is total profit, and 68,000 withdraw. Let's see another account. 35,000 deposit, 40,000 withdraw, 33,706 is total profit. Let's see another account. 2,000 deposit, 4,438 is profit. It's also 240 plus percent profit. So if somebody want to purchase my robot or need any information regarding my robot, so you can contact me on Skype. This is my Skype ID, as well as you can send me an email. So I will give you more information about my robot and will show you live performance of my robot. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.